and Assalamualaikum. Today I'm going to talk about Volkswagen Group. Volkswagen Group is one of the largest companies in the world and is owned several renowned brands such as Porsche, Bugatti, Bentley, Audi and many more. After the introduction of Industry 4.0, Volkswagen became one of the companies that adopted the concept in their manufacturing processes. They have incorporated robots with 6 axes from made cutting-edge and high-performance material into their assembly line to work alongside human employees in car component assembly. This robot can operate collaboratively with humans, leveraging their speed and agility. As a result, employees no longer need to assume unnatural posture while performing manual tasks on the robot, reducing potential risks to their health. The company utilizes UR5 robots that adhere to strict safety standards such as ISO TS 15066, allowing them to work safely in close proximity to humans.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. I will explain about Toyota Manufacturing, which has a grow and one of the largest manufacturing company in Malaysia, such as Volkswagen, iPhone, Samsung, and so on. Automation system is important. The manufacturing process can reduce efficiently Toyota to produce car. So after that, Toyota has a grow into the largest manufacturing company because it's a good local and suitable for customer and have a high demand. So Toyota is also take the initiative by using more machine to produce a car in to produce a car. So furthermore, automation has a lot of manufacturing process because it can produce better quality, can reduce cost and reduce production time. So conclusion is Toyota Manufacturing Company have beneficially effect on all industry and also can improve our economy.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. For my part, I choose Honda Manufacturing Company. Honda is one of the largest manufacturing companies in the world by revenue in 2020. Honda's manufacturing relies on automation, which revolutionizes the industry. AI technologies, big data, and robots are one of the importance and benefits of automation in Honda manufacturing that help them to stay ahead of the curve. By following the passage of time in Industrial Revolution 4.0, allowing them to design safer that improve daily life. Next, we are going to look on the advantages gained compared to manual methods of manufacturing. Automation has many advantages over manual manufacturing. It streamlines operation, reduces error, and boosts production. Automated machines are safer to use and reduce workplace accident and injuries. 3EC18 is one of the industrial robots that is being used in Honda manufacturing floor. It works for indoor and outdoor use. This is the packed mule robot that can carry cargo and learn how to operate autonomously.